What's up, guys? Chris back in the driveway with another video. Today we have Turtle Wax, Chrome Polish, and Rust Remover. Superior cleaning power, remove surface rust and grime to a like-new condition. So let's see how well it brings it to a like-new condition on the bumper of the Dakota. So as you can see, we have a very dirty bumper. We have a little bit of rust right here. And looks like rust coming in there. So basically what they say to do, the directions say to shake well, apply polish with a soft cloth or applicator and allow to dry to a haze. Wipe off with the clean soft cloth and lightly buff to a brilliant shine. So let's go ahead and shake it. I already opened it. Pour some on. Get this on here. It's almost like a waxy, creamy substance. So we applied it on. We're going to let it dry to a haze and then wipe it off. Let's go ahead and buff this off with the clean side of the cloth and see what happens. So here's the side that we have it applied on. And this is a side that we don't. We didn't do anything on this side. We didn't wipe down. We didn't do anything. This is a regular from a before to an after. I'm not sure for how many people this chrome polish will be useful for. A lot of these new cars, if you notice, they don't come with chrome bumpers or metal bumpers anymore. They usually come with a bumper cover and then just some black steel reinforced bar in front of it to cover it. I guess car manufacturers are trying to, make things a lot cheaper, a lot easier to replace. You have a plastic bumper cover, you could probably get that replaced, or maybe they just did it for the body shop industry. If you have a chrome bumper, you could probably buy the same chrome bumper from the dealership. You don't have to paint it, you could probably throw it on yourself. But if you have a damaged bumper cover, you have to get it painted at a body shop, fixed at a body shop. Well, as you can see, this Turtle Wax product really cut to the chase and got the job done. I thought there would be a little bit more to it, but apply, wipe off, and there you go. Your chrome will look as good as new. But remember, this is a little bit older of a truck. The bumper is in the back. A lot of rock chips get up there. A lot of dirt gets on the back. So for what it's worth, for a couple of bucks, you get this chrome polish, rust remover, and you could have your chrome looking like new. Well, guys, that's it for this video. If you're here for the first time, please subscribe. And if you like more videos like this, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching.